Hey everyone, Henrique here. I'm a system engineer in Formula E and today I'm here at the track. As you can see, we are all in green today. All the teams are assembling the garage and preparing the cars for this weekend. And later, of course, we'll do the track walk around the circuit to know the changes, understand how the new systems will interact with the modifications so we can extract the best performance of the car. Here you can see the part nobody sees on TV, the preparation, the wiring and the data systems that make everything work. And at the heart of all of it, in every single car here is CAN bus. Here's something most people don't realize. The easiest way into motorsport right now is through data and electronics. Simulator engineers, simulation engineers, data engineers, these roles are opening up all the time and teams are struggling to fill them. Why? Well, because almost every one of these positions requires CAN bus knowledge. It's the baseline, it's the entry ticket. And the reality is, most engineers working in automotive today don't even know the fundamentals. They work around CAN bus every day, but never actually learned how it works at the protocol level. So when a motorsport opportunity shows up, they can apply, but they will not qualify for the position. That gap between where you are and where you want to be, it's smaller than you think. But you need the right training to close it. Well, I've spent 17 years doing this, Formula 1, Formula E, Rally, Endurance across 12 countries. I've trained over 100 engineers. Last year, I have launched my book on CAN bus for motorsports and thousands of readers in Amazon. But they asked me more, so I built the course I wish existed when I started in the automotive industry. But here's the thing, this isn't just a course. I'm proposing something much bigger. When you enroll, you'll join our community. We discuss not just CAN bus, but vehicle dynamics, telemetry, data analysis, career strategy, everything within motorsport engineering. You connect with engineers from all over the world, you expand your network, you expand your opportunities. You get the course, 9 modules from protocol fundamentals to advanced diagnostics. You get a professional decoder software that only a handful of people in the world have access to. You get DBZ files from real racing categories. This nobody has. And you get lifetime access to a community of people who are on the same path as you. The launch price is temporary. The first 100 people get the full bundle: course, book, software, DBC files, community, everything. After that, the price goes up and some of these tools go away. If you're serious about getting into motorsport or serious about leveling up where you already are, scroll down, check the curriculum of the course, and if it makes sense, I will see you in our Telegram group. See you there.